going on? Your Weekend Gardener with Al McKinney.
Hi, guys.
Boom. I'm still in Brazil. I'm in my last week. Had a great time. Tried some wonderful fruits, some not so wonderful fruits. Got a hound dog over here that's, I don't know what it's doing. It's making a noise. It looks like it's eating a shoe. But yeah, so been here, wonderful fruits, enjoyed the weather, got away from the very cold East Coast for almost 3 weeks, if not, 3 weeks. Yeah. So hey, look, I ducked that. But we got a 2-in-1 today.
Yes. Let's begin.
I have no idea what this little dude is. I don't even know how to pronounce it, but here it is.
Achacha.
Yeah.
It's a difficult name to say.
Looks like a baby lemon.
I never hear about this fruit.
The outside seems kind of hard. Tap it with the knife.
Yeah, it's kind of hard. Let me see. Do you want?
No, tap it. I want to hear the noise come off of it.
This?
Okay. So yeah, it's kind of tough on the outside. Smooth. Maybe it's leathery. Okay. Just cut around it and see if you can twist it off.
Okay.
Well, okay, there we go. That's what I meant. Pull the wig off on that joint. It almost looked like a ice cream cone. No, yeah. And show the both sides. Yeah, it almost looked like. Now hold it. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, boom. That looks very different.
Yes, it is.
And the top. Let me see what it smells like.
Oh.
This smells like something we just had.
Looks like a lichia.
No. Yeah, it looks like a lichia, except for it's not wet. But this scent, I don't know if this is that peta.
I'm scary.
Okay, cut it in half so we can see the inside. It's probably
cool. We can't. I can't.
Oh, you can't.
Sorry about my English people.
Yeah, pull that.
The seeds.
Yeah.
Is inside.
That's crazy. So it's one of them like them Russian things where you pop the top off, then you pop another half off, and then you got the middle.
Can I?
Hey, you know what I always say? You first.
Yes.
You never had this?
No.
Okay. That's 2 mms.
I love it.
Real taste test.
I love it. I love it.
What does it taste like?
Sour. Citrus.
Citrusy.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm glad I have
Scale 1 to 10.
another one. 10. 10. Yes, definitely 10 for me.
Well,
How about you?
it tastes similar to a very weak or watered down lemon. That's what it tastes like. It's a lot sweeter though. Compared to the Meyer, I think the Meyer has the taste beat out. But
1 to 10?
1 to 10. I don't know. I think I'd give it a 7.
Not bad.
What I don't like about it is, look at that crazy big seed.
Crazy big seed.
It's you would have to eat a handful of these in order to be satisfied.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, it's like this is inside this. but it's mostly this, inside of this. If I saw it in the store.
Ta-da.
I'll buy 2 or 3 of them. How about that? I'll buy 2 or 3. Do I recommend this for everyone? I will put in some liquor.
I love it.
I think it'll be the bomb.
The bad part is it's not regular fruit, so it's expensive. Yeah. It's expensive to buy.
It almost tastes like lemon Jolly Ranchers, which are rare, hard to find. Okay, that's fruit number 1. Fruit number 2 is very interesting. I leave the skirt on that joint. Okay,
Wow.
we took the skirt off. Now, what is this called?
Pomodan, let me see.
I call it super orange. It's a cross between an orange. DeKopon. It's a cross between a tangerine
And
and orange, I think.
kiyomi, a fruit called kiyomi and tangerine mix.
Okay. If it's this big, I don't know how the flavor is gonna taste.
Yeah, I never had before.
What about the smell? Can you smell it from the outside?
Smell nothing. See, nothing.
Okay, we're not starting off good with that.
Cut in half.
Yeah.
Soft.
Okay. Wow.
Wow. Amazing. Look at that. Wow, I'm surprised.
That thing looks like a grapefruit.
It's a great surprise.
As soon as she popped it open, the smell just jumped out like
Yes.
And no seeds, so
No seeds. This is
you know what that means.
stranger.
GMO.
Ooh. This is a wow. Wait. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Tough.
Yeah, a little tough to take off. One for me, 2 for you.
Or maybe 1 for me. Especially if this is. Did it say where this is from?
Let me see. Japan.
Japan. Okay, this is from Japan. So Japan, you got some super oranges. Okay, you first. See that face? It's probably solid.
Very good. Amazing. Amazing.
Tell the folks the name of this orange again.
DeKopon.
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 Looks like you can make a lot of juice out of this if you juice it. Now, was this expensive?
Yes, it is.
Just expensive too.
And you don't find in the regular open fair.
I've never seen this before. All right, 1 to 10. What do you got for the folks?
10.
Hey, you didn't let me get it out.
It's 10, a lot of juice inside. It's sweet, citrus in the same time.
Hey, you can't eat oranges, I don't think.
No, citrus.
Ha. More
How
for
about
us.
you?
I'm gonna give it a 10.
Ooh,
If I saw it in the grocery store
definitely.
and I had a sack like Santa, I'll fill it up with this.
Yes, baby. DeKopon.
Winner.
Winner. Oh, this is hard decision for me because I love both. DeKopon is winner.
Okay, you heard it. I agree. This monster is delicious. This is, since I've been here, this is probably this is in the top 4. Yeah, I know it's a weird number, but it's the top 4. If you see this, grab 2 or 3. Holla.
Bye.